How much money do you get for 1000 views? So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how much money did you to pay on 1000 views. So basically, it depends on your niche. I'll show you on your audience. If your audience is from United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, like hypertension countries like that have high GBT, you will get a lot of money. For example, some niches that, for example, you would reduce is 30 minutes, and you got 1000 paid views of United States. So you can get even $7, $8 on 1000 views. And if on the other hand, if you get 1000 views from countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Kenya, that type of 4 countries, you guys can get $1 to $2 on 1000 views. So basically, it's all about the audience. Also, it depends on your niche. If your niche is financial, etc., you will get a lot of high RPM. If your niche is not that good, you guys will also not get that tough buff amount. But still, it depends on your audience. If your audience is good, like Nerd Straight, UK, Canada, so you can get a lot of money. So there's how you guys can earn. Thanks for watching.